Find or read reviews that people are talking about ViewSonic PA503HD, 4000 lumens, high brightness projector. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. This state-of-the-art projector delivers up to 4000 ANSI lumens of stunning brightness, 1080p, FHD resolution and enormous images up to 300-inch. A 0.65-inch DMD chip enables this high-brightness projector to create multimedia images with stunning contrast for enhanced clarity. Experience versatile multimedia connectivity with dual HDMI ports as well as a USB-A output port to power wireless HDMI dongles. No matter how you set up your projector, flexible features such as auto keystone correction help ensure a picture-perfect image every single time. Plus, with a laptop and USB cable, users can enjoy hassle-free maintenance and software updates. Packed with 4000 lumens and a high contrast ratio, this projector is guaranteed to produce bright images in nearly any environment, even in rooms with high ambient light. This projector features full HD 1920x 1080p, native resolution for sharp and clear images. It is perfect for watching all types of high-definition formats, 1080p, 1080i, 720p, and content, including movies, videos, sports, games, and TV. Without any distortion or scaling of the original video format. Experience deeper blacks and brighter whites thanks to a state-of-the-art Texas Instruments 0.65-inch DMD chip. This high native contrast ratio lets you enjoy greater visual depth, clearer images, and enhanced legibility. Enjoy breathtaking images on an ultra-large screen capable of reaching up to 300-inch. This state-of-the-art projector has a lower cost per inch compared to commercial displays. Dual HDMI ports and a USB-A power supply port give you the freedom to connect your display to a variety of devices and external media players. Software and firmware updates for this projector can be easily accessed online. Simply connect the projector to a computer via USB, and run the software update program available below, in the Support and Downloads section of the product page. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. And make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.